At number 4, we have the MOTOPOWER MP69033. The MP69033 stands out for its simplicity and effectiveness as an OBD2 scanner. Designed to diagnose most vehicles made since 1996, it supports 9 OBD2 protocols, making it compatible with a wide range of cars, SUVs, and light trucks. Its plug-and-play functionality requires no batteries, as it draws power directly from the car's OBD2 port. The clear LCD screen with backlight ensures easy readability in any lighting condition, while its intuitive interface and 6-button navigation make operation straightforward even for beginners. Performance-wise, the MP69033 quickly reads and clears diagnostic trouble codes, provides freeze-frame data, and streams live engine data such as RPM and coolant temperature. The built-in DTC lookup library simplifies code interpretation, saving time and effort. While it excels at basic engine diagnostics, it does not support advanced features like ABS or airbag codes.